Hi friends, welcome to a new video. In this video, we are going to discuss about the knowledge representation and reasoning in artificial intelligence. So it is an area of artificial intelligence. So what is a knowledge? Knowledge means what? It is an assured belief which is known. That is, we call it as what? Information, right? So we humans possess what? Knowledge regarding a particular subject and all that. So it is a universal fact that if a person knows more about a particular subject, he can make that is, the chances of making correct decision or actions will be higher, okay, because he has some thorough knowledge about that particular subject. Okay, so likewise we should provide knowledge, human knowledge, okay, to the computer in a machine understandable form. Okay, so that we can make AI systems better. That is, we can make AI system truly intelligent by providing correct knowledge to the computer in a machine understandable form. So with this knowledge representation and reasoning, the main aim of this section, this area, is to provide knowledge to the computer so that the computer can understand the knowledge and can perform better. Okay, so knowledge means we just provide information, we just providing and storing the information in a machine understandable form. That is knowledge. Reasoning means we are applying some manipulation or we are deducing the stored information. That is what reasoning. And intelligence means based on the knowledge reasoning, we are just making correct decisions or actions based on it. That is what reasoning. That is what that is what intelligence. That is, we are making correct actions or decisions based on knowledge reasoning. Okay. The first thing that we have to identify is what is to be presented in the first place. The things are, first is objects. Okay, first is object. Okay, second is events. Third is performance. Fourth is meta knowledge. Fifth is facts. Sixth is knowledge base. Okay, these are the things. Okay, so first is object. Object means what? That is, there are several objects that surround humans, like right? It can be any car, it can be any chair, anything. Okay, so the information regarding that information regarding the object is a type of knowledge. Okay, it's a type of knowledge, right? For example, the car have wheels, the piano has keys, likewise. So this can be any object. So we should know the information, we should know a thorough knowledge about the objects regarding our environment that surrounds humans. Okay, that is what object. And second is events. Events means what? Our perception, that is regarding what type of events are taking place taking place in the world. Okay, that is, it can be an award winning ceremony, it can be any achievement, likewise any event. So we should know a thorough knowledge about the events that is taking place in the world, that is taking place in the world. Okay, that is the events. Again, it is a type of, that is our perception regarding the events. Okay. Third is performance. Performance means it deals with how humans and other things perform certain actions in different situations. Okay, that is, it just helps in understanding the behavior side of any knowledge. Okay, it's just understand behavior side of the knowledge. That is what performance. And fourth is meta knowledge. Meta knowledge means the knowledge about what we know. That is meta knowledge. You will be knowing metadata, that is data about data, right? Likewise, knowledge about knowledge means knowledge about what we know, right? Okay, then facts. Facts means just it contains what factual description about the world. Okay, just describes about the factual description of the world. Then finally, last, knowledge base. Knowledge base means it is the main component of any human. That is, just it contains a group of information regarding any discipline. Okay, regarding any discipline. That is, for every domain there should be a knowledge base. It contains a group of information regarding that domain. Okay, that is what knowledge base. Right, so these are the things that you should be identified first, okay, before representing the knowledge, right? Next is the type of knowledge. Okay, there are several types of knowledge representation. First is declarative knowledge, second is procedural knowledge, third is meta knowledge, fourth is heuristic knowledge, and the last is structural knowledge. So you should just have a short idea about this different kinds of knowledge. So first is declarative knowledge. Declarative knowledge means this knowledge, it represents the non-facts, objects about the world. That is, it just describe about something, that it just give a description about something, that something can be of any object, any non-facts and all that. Okay, describe about the description about that object and all that. That is what descriptive knowledge. Okay, then second is procedural knowledge. Procedural knowledge compared to descriptive knowledge, this procedural knowledge is more complex, because this knowledge, procedural knowledge deals with what how the objects behave and act. Okay, behave and work. Okay, obviously this is the difficult task, right? So there's a procedural, that's about the procedural knowledge. Okay, deals with that. Then meta knowledge, I said earlier, that is, meta knowledge is the knowledge regarding the different types of knowledge. Okay, knowledge about the knowledge, that is knowledge about what we know about different types of knowledge. Okay, that is what meta knowledge. And fourth is heuristic knowledge. Heuristic knowledge, it is the most important one, because this knowledge can be obtained only from experts of that particular domain, subjects, or any discipline. Okay, so this knowledge is obtained after several years of experience, and also this knowledge will helps in best approach to problem solving. Okay, that is heuristic knowledge. We can gain this knowledge only from the experts of that particular domain. Okay, then last is structural knowledge. Structural knowledge means just this type of knowledge will establish the relationship between the objects, that is how the objects are connected and what is the relationship between that among that objects and all that. So this will provide a solution to the real life problems. Okay, that is the different types of knowledge that we have. Declarative, description about something, procedural, that is how the objects behave and act, that is what procedural is, more complex one. And meta knowledge, knowledge about the knowledge. And heuristic knowledge, gain only from experts, it's the best approach to problem solving. And structural knowledge, this it establishes the relationship between the objects. Okay, these are the types of knowledge. So I just given a brief introduction about the knowledge representation and reasoning, and in the next video I'll be discussing more about what knowledge representation schemes, that is more important, that is you should semantic networks, frames, and all that, production rule, first logic, propositional logic and all that. These sections are very much important. Okay, so that is about this video, introduction video, that is about knowledge representation and reasoning. Thank you.